How to use Peacock Parental Controls. First of all, go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice on your device. Then head to the peacocktv.com. Tap on the sign in option on the top to proceed to log into your account. Once you have logged in, simply tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select the account, then click the plus button to add a new profile. From there, you will be sent to this new field where you can choose avatar for your profile. Once you go through this, within this is this a kid profile option. Make sure that you choose yes. Now proceed to give your profile a name. Once you've done this and gone through all of these steps, all you have to do is now you can change the maturity ratings as well by simply tapping on the pencil icon to edit the profile. Scroll down to the maturity rating and you can change it as well. You can also choose to set a pin from there to lock your profiles. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.